Hello dear friends, you have probably noticed while watching a video that some parts are louder and some parts have low audio volume. Or in a video, some voices are louder than others. The reason for this problem is that the sound level is not the same. To fix this problem, right-click on the audio and select Normalize Audio Levels. Set normalization mode to sample peak program and enter the value you want in target level. And click on Normalize. The volume of sounds that are lower than the limit is increased, and the volume of sounds that are louder than the limit is reduced. Don't worry about losing the sound quality. This has no effect on the sound quality. Try to adjust the audio level so that it's easy to hear and not too loud. Very loud sounds, raise this indicator to the end and turn it into red. For YouTube, I personally choose a number between -5 and -1. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.